Hi guys, welcome back to No Barriers Growth. I'm back again in Laleli showing you guys some amazing wholesalers. Now so many of you guys reached out to me and said, please can you show us some more luxury ball gown, Met Gala luxury dresses for like dining out, wedding, bridesmaids. So today guys, I am here at, as you can see, Alpiro, which is a very luxury women's wear wholesaler here in Istanbul. They have up to more than 5,000 different styles, so I'm going to show you their styles. Come with me guys. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Hey guys, so I'm going to do a voiceover just for the beginning because there was quite a lot of music in the background, but as you guys can see, this is their new season staples. They've just come in this week guys. This is all their new season pieces, and as you guys can see here, this is a very luxury haute couture wholesaler. They have the most stunning evening dresses and pieces and designs, from kind of floral mesh prints to more luxury satin pieces and more. But here's basically an introduction and let's get straight into it. So Alpiro have so many floors, but I'm going to be showing you guys some very luxury pieces that are more affordable for your budget. Now, as you guys can see here, there are hundreds of styles, guys. So they start and range from anywhere between $40 to $50, all the way through to 100 plus. And as you guys can see here, they have the most gorgeous evening dresses. This is their plus size collection, guys. So these are their plus size dresses, and most of them will come in a series of around 4 to 5 pieces. We also have some of these ones here, again plus size collections, and we also have some of these ones here. So if you are looking for like plus size wholesale kind of Met Gala ball gown dresses, this is the place for you. And as you guys can see, some of them start from anywhere between 46 and upwards. So as you guys can see here, they also have more short ones, and again guys, these are their plus size. So I know a lot of you guys are like, show us the plus size fashions, where are the plus size luxury fashion pieces? You guys can see it here. And as you guys can see here, these are absolutely stunning. Now guys, because there are new items every single day, they do have a Telegram, they have an Instagram, they have a WhatsApp. So I'd highly recommend, as you guys can see here, to check them out, because there were just so many dresses and design, guys. It would be physically impossible to show you just how much there are. As you guys can see here, here are some of their newest collection pieces. And again, these will kind of range from like the $50, $60 price points. As you guys can see here, they have even more. These are kind of more long sleeve, guys, but these are new collection pieces. So as I mentioned before, the newer collections will of course be more expensive, but I know for all my plus size curvy girls, you will love their new items. So as you guys can see, this is the second floor of this wholesaler, and this floor is dedicated to more plus size pieces. So the items will start, or sizes will start from anywhere between 46 to like 56 and upwards, and prices will range from like 80 to 90 and upwards. So this, guys, is basically their plus size collections. There are so many styles. I'm just going to again show you some more luxury pieces here. As you guys can see, they have different styles, so more simple plain styles, and then they range all the way to more luxury embedded pieces right here. As you guys can see here, these are absolutely gorgeous, and these kind of guys will start from anywhere between sizes 38 to 46, so getting around 4 to 5 pieces per series. Now what I love about this particular wholesaler, guys, they really do specialize and focus on quality, and I think it's so important, guys, if you are starting a fashion brand, you want to make sure you're selling the best of the best. So this is why I particularly love this wholesaler, because the styles are absolutely gorgeous, but also the quality is phenomenal. again from the newest collection pieces, as you can see here. And these again, guys, will range from 4 pieces. So this, guys, is the first floor. As you guys can see, these are more small sizes, but these are absolutely gorgeous dresses. I'm talking about really luxury pieces with really nice detail and embellishments. And these are the, I mean, guys, when I tell you these dresses are so heavy, but these are like the current trending styles and bestsellers on this floor. As you guys can see here, just look at the detail in these dresses. I mean, this is just luxury. And of course, guys, as you can see here, these styles start from 38 and upwards. Now, guys, you do know when it comes to luxury here in Istanbul, they're not going to be really cheap prices, because again, guys, half of these items are kind of handmade, or they have a lot of embellishments on side of them. So you're not going to really find prices like $10 or $20 in this wholesaler. This again, guys, is luxury wholesalers here in Laleli that kind of specialize in wedding wear, occasion wear, and more. And this here, as you can see, guys, is just some more plus size collections. I mean, I don't know if you guys can realize this is super heavy, like, but it's so luxury, so gorgeous, and very unique designs. Now, I know a lot of you guys had asked me where are the best places to kind of find the more luxury items for, like, you know, more luxury boutiques. I would definitely recommend you to start with Laleli, because the prices will be a bit more cheaper than Osmanli. And as you guys can see here, very latest collections and pieces. And again, guys, like most wholesalers, they will come in different colors and different styles. One of my favorite items here, guys, is this. These are just so beautiful. This is their newest collections, guys, and this will start anywhere between $80 and upwards. Now again, guys, because they have so many pieces and they have new items coming daily, I would highly recommend you guys to check their WhatsApp and their Telegram, and they even have beautiful kind of basic kind of wedding dresses too. Now, guys, like I said, this is a huge wholesaler, so I'm going to show you one more floor of some more pieces. So let's go. Now this floor, guys, actually focuses on more kind of like haute couture, high-end kind of pieces. As you can see here, every color they have. So this particular model has around 2, 4, 6, 8, around 9 to 10 different colors, guys. And again, these will range from anywhere between sizes 38 and upwards. I don't know if you guys can see just how beautiful these are. And again, guys, you have more that are kind of just more simple, kind of more plain designs. I feel like with this wholesaler, guys, there is something designs, really embellished haute couture luxury pieces. So if you do have a more high-end luxury fashion brand or boutique, I would highly recommend you to come to this wholesaler, as they have so many pieces to choose from. that's it guys for this week's video. I wanted to keep it short and sweet because you know I listen to you guys so much about what are the products you want to see. So this guy, like as I mentioned, is a luxury wholesaler. But guys, if you are interested in more information about them, seeing their latest styles and pieces, you can actually find them at Alpiro shop. They have an Instagram and they also have a Telegram. As you guys know, in Istanbul, Telegram is the #1 place in terms of contact because they will send you all their styles, all their prices, and basically they'll be able to help you with your cargo too. Thank you guys again for watching this week's video. I'll be back again next week with more content and luxury wholesalers, and guys, also wholesale wedding dresses. Take care guys, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. That's it guys for this week's video. I hope you guys found it informative as always. As you guys know, you can check out our website www.nobarriersgrowth.com for more information on how to source from Turkey and also a list of our services. As mentioned guys, all the questions that I tend to get asked, they can often be found on our website. So check out our recent blog posts where we cover each wholesale district on what they entail, how to source from Turkey, how to connect to manufacturers, and even some amazing vendors. That's it guys for this week's video. I'll be back again with more content, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button guys. Take care and see you soon.